Hello, thanks for watching this video for the free backlink checker, one of the more powerful and useful backlink analysis tools you're going to find, whether free or paid. It's going to hold its own against some of the better known, more expensive paid link research tools out there, and I'm going to show you a bit more on that in a second. My name is Jeremy Wilson. I'm the designer, creator, and publisher of the free backlink checker, and this tool was designed as a way to put a powerful, useful tool in the hands of anyone who's going to be heavily involved in the research of backlinks for any website, whether it's for your own, whether it's for competitors, whether it's for your clients. And we accomplished this by making sure that we could support as many of the most well-known and trusted backlink sources that you're probably already familiar with, and put it in an interface that pulls all that data together from all those different places and allows you to analyze it across some of the more popular and generally accepted metrics that backlinks are gauged by. So let's just dive in and continue on with the tour. So this is the main interface, and here's where you enter your URL that you want to analyze. You can analyze either the whole domain. This pulls backlinks for all the backlinks on a domain, for a specific page, so you only get backlinks pointing to a specific page on a domain, or you can pull all the backlinks in and then it trims it down to just the root domains, and you can just see the individual linking root domains pointing to the site that you want to analyze. There's a few metrics you can analyze on. You have the backlinks, which is the number of backlinks actually pointing to the backlink URL. You can check domain and page authority for Moz.com for each backlink. Pull the anchor text, and you can also pull in the domain and page rank of those links, and I'll also check to see if the link still exists. I'm going to go into a little bit more detail on all this once we pull in some data. So first thing you might want to do is go into settings here, and this is the settings window, and these are the free backlink sources we pull from. We also can pull in from Majestic and Ahrefs. More on that in a bit, but those are paid sources. So these are the free sources that we can pull from, and I normally have them all checked because you're going to get the most data that way. And then you can adjust the different settings, how many seconds to wait between each query, timeout connections, number of connections, and things like that. So you can come in here and select your sources, save settings, and then you can just enter your domain. I'm going to enter pretty well-known site, Yoast.com. It's one of my sites I like to go to and read from time to time. And we're just going to pull in the backlinks. Now once I hit start, it's going to take a while to pull in from all the sources. So I'm just going to let it do its thing, and then I'll shoot back in from when the data analysis and backlink retrieval is complete. Alright, see you in a sec. Okay, so the backlink check for Yoast.com is complete, and you can see that using just the free backlink sources that we selected earlier, we pulled back 192,569 backlinks using just free backlink sources. If you've ever used a free backlink checker, even a lot of the paid desktop-based backlink checking software, you're going to know that this is head and shoulders above the number of results you normally get. I mean, it absolutely is a game changer, I think, in terms of the number of backlinks you can get from just free backlink sources. And just give you a little bit of perspective of how many links this is, or how powerful or how competitive free backlink checker is to some paid tools. Let me just pull up some results here and show you. Here's Ahrefs.com, a very good, well-respected paid backlink research tool. They have 125,883 backlinks for Yoast.com. So free backlink checker pulled in probably a good close to 70,000 or so more backlinks than Ahrefs.com. And of course, if we want to compare it to MajesticSEO, the granddaddy of all backlink research tools, Majestic has a lot more backlinks, 586,135 backlinks. But I think you'll agree that for a free backlink tool, bringing in almost 200,000 backlinks, or about 40% or so of the backlinks of Majestic. I think it's incredibly amazing considering it's just free backlink sources. So right now we have an analysis going on where we're pulling the page rank and the page and domain authority, the domain page rank, the page rank, checking whether or not the link to the site still exists. And so we'll just scroll down a little bit. You can see it doing its thing. So it's already analyzed these links that is pulled back right here. So obviously I'm not going to let it run for all 200,000 links, but this is this is a good representation of the kind of data that you're going to see. The number of backlinks is the number of backlinks that are actually pointing to the backlink URL, which in turn points to the site we're analyzing. Have the title tag, whether or not the link is no follow, domain and page authority from moz.com, anchor text, the source of the data. We have Webmeup, SEO Moz, SEOKicks as some examples, and then you have the domain page rank, whether or not the backlinking page actually has any page rank, and then whether or not that backlink to the site is still active and still exists. So this is most free tools don't give you enough backlink data or enough links, and even paid tools, like I mentioned before, to do a proper analysis. But I think anytime you can pull back close to 200,000 backlinks for a site, you're going to get a good chunk, a good representation of their backlinks and be able to perform a meaningful analysis on the domain. Just to show you a couple of other things, one other thing that you can do is the free sources we pull from are Webmeup, SEOKicks, SEO Moz, and Blekko.com. But also, if you happen to have a subscription, an active subscription to Ahrefs or Majestic, you can actually import that data. You can download the CSV file from within your account, and then you can import that data into Free Backlink Checker and then perform the analysis across these metrics on those backlinks as well. So we pretty much, I feel comfortable we cover a lot of the major backlink sources. So depending on your preference and your access to other sources, Free Backlink Checker is really going to come in handy. And one of the final things you can do, I've actually stopped the analysis, but you can go into filters, and based on any of the metrics you see in the screen, page rank or domain or page authority, you can enter in a quantity. Let's see, we'll do greater than 50. So we're going to show, and you can see here's the domain authority greater than 50 of the backlinks that we've already scanned. So obviously we haven't done all 200,000, but you can quickly drill down and fine-tune and target in on links meeting a specific requirement. So I hope this demonstration shows you just how useful and how powerful Free Backlink Checker is. It's not a cheap gimmicky tool. It's a real power user tool that should be, I think, could honestly become one of your go-to tools in your internet marketing SEO toolkit. So thanks for watching, thanks for sticking around, and go ahead and fill in your email below and click the download button and you'll get the download link sent right to your email. So thanks for watching and hope you check it out.